everybody. Hey, let's join the slime tour in Fredericton.
Politics are boring, right? Not here in Fredericton, provincial capital of New Brunswick. No, sir, here the bureaucrats and the technocrats are larger than life. In a game that we like to call... Aqua. Who's running for Parliament?
Being in politics means having to know how to blame others for your own mistakes and how to take money for not doing anything at all. Never leave a paper trail. Dive into your tool, find 2 documents, rip them off, then, to cleanse yourself of any information, douse yourself with these 2 buckets of goo, and when you've done that, you can go see Christian.
You remember the rock band, the Spin Doctors? Well, today's game has absolutely and positively nothing to do with them. No, the Spin Doctors that I'm speaking of are the ones that control the information in the news. Your job is to get your badminton racket out of this printer's ink, bring it over here to your spot on the ground, put it down, put the handle to your forehead, and spin around it 3 times. Once you finish this, you'll know the truth. Then head over and see Aaron.
Hey, serving 1 term is meaningless. You gotta get into the office at least twice for people to remember you. And to do that, you gotta make the people who are running against you look pretty bad. Now, the first step is destroying their campaign posters. The next is ruining their literature. Then you can run to victory.
All right, let's find out who the speakers of the House are.
I'm Zigzag Zeta, and I'm gonna zoom my way through this.
I'm Scaly Scott, and I'm gonna slide right through this game.
I'm Naughty Naomi, and I'll see them eating my dirt.
Well, I don't want to see any dirt eating, but if we have to, we have to. All right, you've seen the teams. Now, guess what? It's time to vote. If you choose right, I'll give you 35 points. If you choose wrong, I'm giving you nothing. Zippity-doo-dah-day. And while you're voting, let's see what they're playing for.
For our slime tour winner, a fabulous color printer from Lexmark. For school reports and home projects, Lexmark printers add up. Print Lexmark and come to your own brilliant conclusion. From Pantorama in 1850, our runners-up will receive $150 worth of the most popular brands of jeans, including Polo, CK, and Tommy. Famous for the selection of jeans, Pantorama in 1850.
All right, we're back on the floor. The votes are in. Let's check out and see who chose what. Red chose orange, green chose yellow, and blue chose orange. We're going back to Sean to see who's right.
All right, here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Disgusting. I am blown away. You gotta find them, put them in the bucket. Find them, put them in the bucket. That's what they gotta do. Take the goo, pour it over their head. That's very important.
Good job, good job.
Look at the yellow.
Go purple.
This is disgusting.
Go yellow.
2 things over their head and they're off to the next station. They gotta jump into this. Yeah.
Find your badminton racket.
They gotta get the badminton racket, spin around.
Yellow.
And then they gotta go on to the next station.
2 purple. 1 more
It's
yellow.
good. Around and round they go.
Yellow, go. Purple, go. 1 more orange, 1 more.
To the next station. Here they go. Purple is away. Yellow is away. Orange is completely. Orange is completely oblivious to where he is. It's a close one right now. We've got orange. We've got yellow. We've got purple. Who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be yellow? Is it gonna be purple? Is it gonna be orange? It's a close one right now. It's all close. It's all close. It's all together. Wire. It's not out. Orange got the finish. He comes back from nowhere to make the big win. Orange out of the blue finishes up with the win on the.
Oh, the legislating victor was orange. Congratulations to you. Who chose orange? Well, I'm sorry to say it wasn't green. You chose yellow. No points for you. But guess what? Red and blue chose orange. 35 points are going to each of you. And going into our final round, here are the standings. Blue, you've got 80 big points for second place right now. Green doesn't have any points yet. We got lots of time, don't worry. And red, 135 right now for the lead. We got lots of points to give away. So go away and then come back. We're going to be back with more messy games right after this. Right after this.